like I said, we're gonna start popping the glove box open. I pulled all my junk out of there. Throw a little light in here so you can see what's happening. We've got the shock on the outside. Now that there's a light in there, you can see this little tab. You need to pop it from the top down to release the shock. And then again, there's a tab here and a tab right there that you have to push in from the side to release. Let's see, can you see that down there? Yeah, just like that. Pop that one, double check this one, and the whole thing drops out the bottom. Now, up top, we have this tray. Grab it from underneath, and it'll pop out, revealing our two 7mm screws. We'll get those out, and then the microfilter housing is actually right back there. You are going to have some wires connected to your airbag switch here. Reach in from underneath. There it is. Let's see, a little clip there, a little clip there. You can see on the sides there, those are our clips. I'm just going to drop this here to the bottom. Show you what's going on in here. There's your microfilter housing. You've got these little clips on the sides. Pop that guy out. It's pretty tough to hold the camera and show, but these are the clips on the sides I was talking about. And then you have these tabs on the bottom. It drops in and then snaps into place. Now you can see our microfilter back there. And look at that. I wrote the date and even the mileage on there. Let me get it out. Coming in outside of the sun, pop the pleats open. You can see there's a bunch of dust and debris in there. All right, new filter prepped, date, mileage written on there. Slide it back into place. Put our cover back. Make sure your lower tabs, these guys go in first, and you'll tilt it up and in. There it is. Snap, snap. All right, moving right along. We're going to reinstall our upper portion here of the glove box. Screw it back together, but beforehand, I'm going to wipe down all the extra little dust in here. All right, you've got the tabs on both sides here that you have to make sure to snap into place. Make sure none of your wires are kinked. Slide it back in. And clip, clip. Now we'll drop our screws in. These don't have to be super tight. They're just going into plastic. Just to hold it into place. You can see these are the clips on our upper trim cover that lock in right here. And then just these little plastic hooks pop into the side. Make sure at the back you get the alignment feet in there. Then it'll clip right in. Line up our side plastics, bring it up, make sure you pop your tabs over, otherwise they'll bend backwards, which you don't want. There we go, and reinstall our shock. Clip, clip.